Hello, my name is Matthias Tomczak, Product Manager on BEKA Hospitec, and I would like to show you today the CARLO Alu Comfort. The CARLO Alu Comfort is a lifter who is made mostly out of aluminium. It has an EPS system, very light, very maneuverable. You see we have the Linux components, Linux control box, Linux interchangeable battery for all your different systems. We have a remote control with all the functions you want to use. You can use it with the remote control, so we can move the CARLO up and down. We can move the electric spreadable legs, and you can move the EP system with your remote control to position the patient in a sitting or lying position very easily by the use of the EPS system. And in the next step I would like to show you how we lift someone from the floor with the use of the CARLO Alu, and it's very easy because of the long arm that we have that gives you a perfect accessibility to your person who is proning on the floor. Okay, now I want to show you how to lift someone up from the floor with the CARLO Alu, and our colleague Jose is giving us the volunteer to show it to you. As you see, with the long arm we are getting all the way down. We are connecting the slings via our clip system very easily to the connection points, and with this little click I can demonstrate once again. This little click, you can hear and see that it's completely connected. Now I'm going to lift her up. The EPS system is now in the lying position. We are going in the position for the transfer, and when she's in the transfer position we can use the EP system to bring her in a more sitting position, which can be nicer for her during the transfer. The EP system does this all by himself, so I don't have to change anything. I just use the remote control to bring her in the sitting position. In the next step I would like to show you how we bring her from this position with the transfer to the bed. Now we have Jose in the sitting position, and as you can see, because of our long arm we can rotate her in the sitting position and she's not touching the lift at all. Depends for sure the length of your legs, but we have a lot of space here between these 2 points. With the anti-rotation mechanism, the friction of rotating is giving us the possibility when we move that the patient stays in the same position and is not moving around, which gives him a secure feeling and gives us more stability when we move and transfer the patient. Now we are bringing the CARLO Alu on top of the bed, turning her, and by hand control we move the whole thing up. Oh, sorry, I forgot one thing. Before we can use the EP system to bring her in a lying position right now. So you see, lying position, and much more easier now because she's already in the lying position, so we bring it down. And all we have to do now is just disconnect the clips once again and remove the sling. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video about the CARLO Alu. If you want to have more information, please contact your sales representative or go to the BEKA website, bekahospitec.com. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.